Welcome, explorers, to a journey like no other. Ever wondered what the land of the rising sun looks like from the heavens above? Well, you're in for a treat. We're about to embark on an aerial journey through the enchanting parks of Japan, showcasing a hidden world of serenity and complex beauty. Embark on a breathtaking journey as we showcase the enchanting Japanese parks from a bird's-eye view. In this captivating video, we take you on a mesmerizing aerial tour, capturing the serene landscapes, intricate designs, and the tranquil allure of these green havens. Join us for a unique perspective on Japan's natural wonders. So sit back, relax, and let your spirit take flight. You're about to get a unique perspective on the natural wonders of Japan, seen from above like you've never imagined. Welcome to Exploring Japanese Parks from Above. Let the adventure begin. Our first destination is none other than the iconic Ueno Park in Tokyo, a sprawling urban oasis that offers an extraordinary blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. What makes Ueno Park so unique? Well, it's not just a park. It's also home to several museums, a zoo, and even a beautiful pond where you can enjoy paddle boating. But what we're interested in today is its stunning landscape from above. Imagine sweeping views of lush greenery, speckled with cherry blossom trees that turn the park into a sea of pink every spring. Now capture that breathtaking scenery from a vantage point that only a few get to experience. From this bird's-eye perspective, you can also catch a glimpse of Shinobazu Pond, an expansive body of water in the park that serves as a sanctuary for birds and a peaceful escape for visitors. Ueno Park truly encapsulates the harmony between urban life and natural wonders, a testament to Japan's commitment to preserving its green spaces amidst rapid modernization. But hold tight. This is just the beginning. We have more mesmerizing locations to show you, each with its own story and unique allure. So stay tuned as we continue to explore Japan's spectacular parks from an angle that promises to captivate your senses and ignite your imagination. Up next, we're heading south to Kyoto to experience the magical world of the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. You won't want to miss it. And now we leave the bustling metropolis of Tokyo and head to the ancient city of Kyoto. Welcome to Arashiyama, home to one of the most iconic landscapes in all of Japan, the Bamboo Grove. From the sky, the Bamboo Grove appears almost like a living carpet of green, extending as far as the eye can see. The uniformity of the bamboo stalks creates an almost surreal, mesmerizing pattern that you have to see to believe. It's not just the bamboo that makes Arashiyama a must-visit destination. The surrounding area is rich with temples, shrines, and other cultural landmarks. From our aerial view, you can also catch glimpses of these historic sites nestled amidst the lush scenery. And that's just a glimpse of what Kyoto has to offer. As we continue our journey, you'll see that each park and natural space in Japan has its own unique story, its own soul, and its own indescribable allure. We've explored the traditional and the iconic, but now it's time for something a little different. We're heading south, way south, to the tropical paradise of Okinawa. Unlike the more temperate climates of Tokyo and Kyoto, Okinawa offers a unique tropical experience that you might not associate immediately with Japan. From coral reefs to mangrove forests, this island chain is a treasure trove of biodiversity. What makes Okinawa's parks stand out from a bird's-eye view? For one, the vibrant shades of blue from the surrounding sea contrast dramatically with the rich, emerald greens of the land, creating a tapestry of colors that is simply breathtaking. But there's more to these parks than just their stunning natural beauty. Okinawa is steeped in a unique culture and history that has been preserved for centuries. As we fly over these sacred lands, you'll notice historic sites like castles and shrines, perfectly integrated into the natural landscape. Okinawa presents a harmonious blend of natural and cultural beauty, which is perhaps why the locals are known for their longevity and quality of life. It's hard not to feel at peace when you're surrounded by such awe-inspiring landscapes. From tropical forests to historic landmarks, Okinawa's parks offer a feast for the senses, especially when seen from above. Each site is a testament to the diversity and rich heritage that make up this unique part of Japan. Wow, what an incredible journey we've had! From the urban oasis of Ueno Park in Tokyo to the timeless beauty of Kyoto's Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, and finally to the tropical allure of Okinawa, each landscape has given us a unique glimpse into the rich tapestry that is Japan's natural scenery. Viewing these parks from above has provided us a unique perspective, one that captures not just the visual beauty, but the very essence of these green havens. These are places where nature and culture coexist, where tranquility meets grandeur, and where each moment spent is a celebration of life itself. We hope this aerial exploration has captivated your senses, ignited your imagination, and perhaps even inspired your own journey to experience the land of the rising sun in all its multifaceted glory. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing for more breathtaking adventures from around the world. If you have a favorite park or natural wonder in Japan that you think we should feature next, let us know in the comments below. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and never stop exploring.